Do you know, as a small channel, you can still get views on your videos and still go viral with your videos just by fixing these 5 key YouTube settings on your videos? My name is Debbie, and all I do on this channel is to discuss YouTube growth. Anything that will help you grow on YouTube, we discuss it here on this channel. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing that you need to fix as a small channel is to allow embedding on your video. I'm going to show you how to do it in the next few minutes, so don't worry. Everything I'm going to say here, I'll demonstrate it for you to see how it is done. So the first thing that you need to allow on your video is to allow embedding. There's one key feature that a lot of people ignore, a lot of small creators ignore. We don't know the essence of allowing embedding on our videos. So sometimes it's either on or it's off and we don't really care much about it. But today I want you to care about this particular feature because it allows forums and websites and blogs to share your videos directly, and this makes your video appear in other sites or other forums aside the YouTube platform to discover your channel through that video. Do you understand? So you need to allow this embedding feature for your video to go viral. You know, for a video to go viral on YouTube, it is not the YouTube system alone that pushes the video, but views from the YouTube platform and external sources help your video to go viral. So I'm going to show you how to allow embedding on your video. So go to your YouTube studio and click on content, then click on the video that you want to allow it to be embedded. So I'm going to use this particular video as an example. Just tap on it like this, click on the detail button, then scroll down. When you get to this section, click on the show more button. Now what you need to do is to scroll down to where we have allow embedding. For you to be able to see it early, you will see recording date, location, license, and then allow embedding. Make sure this particular button is on like this. So just click it on like this. When you check your video and it's off, it has not been ticked, click inside the box to tick it. So allow forums and other websites and blogs to share your videos directly. This link will help people outside YouTube platform to discover your channel early. So it is very important if you want to get more views on your videos. Now the second thing that you need to fix on your video is to allow custom thumbnail. Now to allow custom thumbnail, the first thing you need to do is to come to your YouTube studio and click on settings. Okay, then click on channel like this and navigate to the feature eligibility section. You will need to first enable this intermediate feature before you can add a custom thumbnail to your video. And the reason why you need a custom thumbnail on your video is that it allows you to design your thumbnail to suit your video. If you just use the auto-generated thumbnail that comes with the video any video you upload on YouTube, you're not going to get enough clicks and views on your videos because those thumbnails are really boring. They are just random images that the YouTube system pick from the video that you upload on the YouTube studio and use it as an auto-generated thumbnail for you. Those thumbnails are boring and are also not attractive for people to click on. So if your plan is to grow on YouTube and to take YouTube to the next level, click on the settings and allow this intermediate feature button to be enabled. Now you cannot enable this feature yourself unless you provide the necessary details or requirement for YouTube to enable this particular feature for you. And what is the requirement? The requirement is to provide your phone number to verify your YouTube account. That is all. Just click on the button that will appear here. In case you have not done it, click on the verify phone number button here and it will take you to the next page for you to provide the necessary information. I've made a video on that, and so that video will be popping up after watching this video. Go and watch the entire process so that you can be able to verify your account with your phone number. The moment you provide your phone number to verify, this particular feature will be enabled by YouTube. Now when you enable it, apart from you getting access to create your own custom thumbnail for your videos, you can also go on live and also create videos that are longer than 15 minutes for your channel. And you know that the longer the video you create, the more watch hours you get for your channel. So it's very important to enable the intermediate feature on your channel. Now the third key thing that you need to enable on your video is to optimize your video tags. For you to optimize your video tags, it entails three things. The first thing is to use the exact keywords that you use your title in your video tags, and the second thing is to use related keywords in your video tags and also use broad keywords in your video tags. Now I want you to take note of the video title that I have here. I've made a full video, a detailed video on how to optimize your entire video. That video will be popping up, or check the playlist, you'll find it. But for the purpose of this video, let me show you how to optimize these video tags. So when you look at the title, I have repeated the exact title in my tags. I've also used related keywords, so all these things are related keywords. SEO tags, YouTube SEO 2025, YouTube tags and titles, how to use YouTube tags. They are all related keywords. And I've also used broad keywords that are related to my niche, that is YouTube growth. So you see how to write viral video title, how to write SEO tag, title and description, how to grow a YouTube channel, YouTube video optimization. These are all broad keywords that are related to my entire channel. Now when you do that, you have fully optimized your video tags, and YouTube will be able to understand the video you have made and also understand your channel. There are some people that says that tags are not important, but I feel tags are important. Now let me ask you this particular question, and make sure you go to the comment section and answer me there. If tags are not important, why do you think YouTube will provide the tag section for you to enter tags? And I believe you know the answer, right? Because it is important. That is the reason why YouTube provide this tag section for you to enter tags to help boost your video, to optimize your video fully. Now the fourth key thing that you need to enable on your video is to allow chapters on your videos. Chapters help break your video into clickable sections, and this allow your viewers to jump to any part of the video to watch, and also help keep them watching your video for longer time. So you need to allow chapters on your videos. You can auto do it, or you can manually do it. Now for you to auto do it, just scroll down. We are still on the same page. See what YouTube have written here. Chapters and key moments make your video easier to watch. You can override automatic suggestions by creating your own chapters in your video description. Now for you to allow automatic chapters, meaning that you do not have time to manually do it, and so you are leaving it to the YouTube system to identify the key moments in your videos and divide it into clickable sections or into chapters. But if you have the time, then you need to put this off and then provide the chapters in the form of timestamps in your description section. So you can see I've done the same thing here in my description section. So you're the one that created the video, so you know the key moments in your video, so you can manually go through your video and provide all the sections, relevant sections in your videos. This helps your viewers to know which part of the video to watch. But if you do not have time to create timestamp for the videos, then allow the YouTube system to use the auto chapters to divide your video into clickable sections. Now let's look at the final thing that you need to enable on your video in order to get views on your videos, and that is by adding end screens and cards to your video. Any video that you upload on YouTube, before publishing it, make sure you have end screens and cards on your videos, and this can give you more views and more watch hours on your channel. At the same time, card also direct your viewers to other existing videos on your channel, and this can also boost your video views. So I'm going to show you how to add end screens and cards to your video. So this is a video. So come to the end screen here, click on it like this. You are going to see different templates. We have a template that will give you playlist, video, and a subscription button. When you decide to choose this template, you are going to link your existing video to a playlist, a video, and also your subscription button, meaning that anybody that clicks on this particular playlist or this particular end screen is going to have access to your playlist, and anyone that clicks on this particular element is going to watch another video on your channel, or anyone that clicks on this subscription button is going to automatically subscribe to your channel. So end screens are very good. It's a way of boosting the views of other existing videos on your channel. Now when you choose the element or you choose the template you want, you tap on it and click on the edit button. Choose the specific playlist that you want to link to that video. So assuming I want to link this playlist to that video, I'll click on it like this. Now you come to the video, the second element, that is a video, and scroll down choose the specific video that you want to link to that video. So assuming I want to link this particular video, I'll tap on it, and then when you are done, you click on the save button to save the changes to your video. Now let me show you how to add cards to your video. To add cards to your video, click on it like this, the edit button. Cards are also another way to interlink all your videos on your channel. So you can see for this particular video, I've linked 4 different videos to this particular video. So look at it, there's a card here, there's another card here, and there's another card here, and there's another card here. So I'm going to show you how to add a card to your video. So bring your pointer to where you want to add the card. So assuming I want to add a card here, I'll click on the add card button and choose which card to add, either a video card, playlist, or a channel. So I'm going to use a video card. Then choose the video that you want to link. So I'm going to choose this one, and then click on the save button. But assuming I don't want a video, I want to use my playlist, I'll click on the card again and click on playlist and choose the playlist that I want to link to this particular video. So assuming I want to use this playlist, I'll just tap on it and it will appear. Now anytime your viewers are watching your videos, they will be seeing this card here. The moment they click on this particular link, it will take them to either the playlist that you have linked or the video that you have linked to that particular video, and this will help boost the video views of all your existing videos on your channel. If you don't like this, then what else do you like? Make sure you hit on this particular button right now and watch the previous video that I uploaded on this channel. I'm going to see you in the next video.